What's good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here at the Dad Life. I hope everyone is having a blessed and healthy day today. In today's video, I have a couple of unboxings, unbaggings, whatever you guys want to call it. One from Nike Sneakers app, and then one from Kill the Hype Richie Lee collab. And we are going to talk about the upcoming Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Zyon colorway. So with that said, as you guys can see, the backdrop is actually a lot different now because I actually am down in San Diego for like 4 months. I'm actually staying with my dad at my dad's place for 2 days, and then we are going to settle in our new spot tomorrow. So I'm really excited. After this video, if you guys want to stay tuned at the end of the video, I'll definitely show you guys the view. It's definitely dope, but like I said, I get my spot tomorrow. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into these unbagging, unboxing. So shout out to the girlfriend actually doing the camera for me, because honestly I did not know what to do since I forgot my tripod. But as you guys can see, an unbagging. What should I do first, the unbagging, or should I do the unboxing?
The bag.
Yeah, let's do the bag. I actually got a W on Sneakers app. You guys are wondering what is it. If you guys don't know, the Space Hippies actually released about a week or two ago, and they actually had a t-shirt that they actually dropped as well. I really wanted the t-shirt, and this is actually what it is. It's only a gray t-shirt, I believe it was. I think it was gray. I think it was like a really light feathered gray. I actually really wanted the tee because it's super simple. So let me go ahead and open it up. As you guys can see, it's just a little gray Nike tee. It's nothing too serious. I really didn't like this stitching in the back, but it is what it is. And then you have the Nike logo right there. So shout outs to Nike. It was actually, you know how much this was? You want to guess how much this was? This is crazy. Like just for a t-shirt.
I'm gonna say like 80 bucks.
No, it was actually $50. So this was retailed at $50. I'm pretty sure there's no resale value. That is pretty much for the first pickup. And for the second pickup, as you guys know, Richie Lee did a collab with Kill the Hype. I've done multiple videos about Kill the Hype. This was actually his black one that I got. I actually paid resale for this one, and then when he dropped it on his website, he actually had a restock on the black one and then dropped his new colorway, which is this one. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, for some reason when I
thought the box was empty.
No, I know when I no, the first thing I thought this was the black colorway. So as you guys can see, this is actually his navy blue. Can you see the navy blue on this one? Kinda. Can you see the difference between the two?
No.
No?
Oh yeah, like a little bit.
A little bit. So as you guys can see, this is the navy blue one. You can't really see it because it's a really dark navy blue, and then we have the black one. So nothing too serious. As you guys can see, Kill the Hype in the back, and then it has Kill the Hype on the side, and then we have Richie Lee's logo right here. These have resale value. That's the craziest thing. They retail, I believe this was what, $80, I believe, just for a hat. Like, it's crazy. I know I paid $80 for a freaking hat, but I'm a big fan of Richie Lee, so I gotta support the movement. And plus, it's Kill the Hype. Pretty much excited to get the rest of my Kill the Hype snapbacks. I've been really excited about it, but like I said, I haven't got any details of when they're gonna be shipped out. So like I said, I'll give you guys a little updated video about the Kill the Hype shipping details. So make sure you guys hit that bell button. Tell them to hit that bell button below.
Hit that bell button below.
You have to be well, you're so simple. You're just like, hit that bell button below. So hit that bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. So the next part of this video is going to talk about the Zyons. Yes, the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Zyons are finally coming out this Saturday on July 18th. I believe the first time it was supposed to release was on May 30th, but I will have a how to cop video talking about how to secure this pair. So do not sleep on these Yeezys, man. This will definitely be a very hard, I wouldn't say very hard, but it will definitely be a very hard shoe to get. There's gonna be a lot of pairs out there, so do not, if there's a lot of pairs out there, do not sleep on this colorway, because this is definitely gonna be a top 5 Yeezy of the year in my opinion. So like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash that like button. Like I said, I know the scenery and like the backdrop is a little different, and I know I did not plan on wearing this shirt and matching it with the background. Go ahead and just go outside real quick. You want to show? Let's go ahead and show the people like how outside looks like. So we could go on the other side, but since we're already here, we might as well just show them. You might have to like adjust the lighting, so just kind of turn that knob right there.
This one, right?
Yeah. So Like I said, this is not my spot, this is my dad's spot, and then I get my spot tomorrow. So it's gonna be similar like this, but I don't think the view is gonna be as nice as this. And this view is crazy. I do live in Washington State, and the huge adjustment coming, living there and then coming here is absolutely crazy. As you guys can see, the view of Coronado Beach. If you guys are pretty much familiar of Southern California, this is one of the most touristy beaches out in San Diego. If you guys like these lifestyle vlogs with my girlfriend or someone holding the camera, you guys just let me know in the comments below. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Man, this is a crazy view. I have crazy content coming up I think in the next couple weeks, so make sure you guys don't sleep on me. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button if you guys are new here. You guys hit the bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. And that's pretty much it for the video. Make sure you guys stay tuned on my how to cop Yeezy 350 V2 on the Zyon colorway. But like I said, this is the dad life.
Signing in, signing out.
Peace.